Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a gift I got for Christmas. It's the Rachael Ray 2-piece set bubble and brown oven oval stoneware. So I wanted to bring you along so you can see what they look like. There's instructions. Look beautiful so far. Colorful. I don't know why it's called bubble and brown because they're kind of bright orange. Lots of styrofoam. So this is the small one. It's 1.25 quarts. Microwave oven and dishwasher safe by Rachael Ray. A nice rustic orange. It's about a foot wide and maybe a bit more than a foot wide and about 6 inches wide. So this would be good for 2 people servings, maybe 3, but like if you did it like a lasagna for 2 people, that would be 2 large portions. And the other one, it's just oval shape, but it's almost a lasagna size pan shape. It's about 18 inches to 2 feet long and about a foot wide, and especially in the center. But what's nice is that it's nice and deep. So it's about 2 inches thick. So that would be nice for lasagna for 4 people. But it also has like these wonderful handles. It's quite deep. So I think these will work out wonderfully. I'm going to use them for like things like lasagna and stuff if I want to do one just for my husband and I, or for 2 servings. I'll use the small one, and this one I will use for the family because it'll be at least 4 servings, if not 6. Depends on what you eat with it, right? So just wanted to do a quick unboxing before I use them. Let me know if you have these below and what you think of them. I think they're beautiful, for one, and they're supposedly microwave and dishwasher. They were oven safe and dishwasher safe. So let me know if you have them as well, and comment below. Have a great day. Bye, friends.